y'all, it's your girl HondaHarleyGurl, and today I will be changing my seats on my motorcycle. So first, I want to start off with taking the old seat off. I have a Phillips head screwdriver, and I'm gonna unscrew this nut right here. Oh, there we go. Pulling up. Okay, so we have that off. Oh wow. Now we're gonna take this seat off. Okay, that was easy. Toss that over there. And here's the new seat. Whoop, whoop. So that's what it's gonna look like to lock down this piece. So boom, boom. I guess it goes like this. So yeah. Alright, so I want to secure this black piece here with this wrench. Alright, just want to make sure it's nice and tight. Now it's time to put the seat onto the bike. This little piece right here is gonna fit into this hole right here. It's lined up with this hole. So now to secure this back seat onto the bike, we're gonna put this back in underneath. I'm using a stick because I don't have a long zip tie. So hopefully it works. We're gonna go up underneath and find this hole. Alright, and go put that black washer back around it. So we're done with that stick. I don't want the stick to push everything back out. So it shouldn't. Alright, and then we're gonna screw this screw back on top. Move sticky, I'm done with you. Alright, I'm just using a screwdriver to screw that down. Alright, now I'm gonna screw the screw to lock down the seat. Yep, see the stick has fallen out. There you have it. That's how you change a motorcycle seat. So now I have a seat for me and a seat for my passenger. Because my passengers, they have to sit on just, you know, the back of the bike without any type of cushion. It was very uncomfortable. But now I actually have a back seat for my riders. Check her out. And I got this seat from J&P Cycles. Yep, J&P Cycles. It actually looks good on this bike. Very simple change. You just need to make sure you have all the right tools. So now we are gonna take this on a test ride and see how comfortable it really rides with a back seat for the passenger. HondaHarleyGurl out.